Bonjour, bienvenue dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui. That's a little bit of the French that I've been learning, and I purposefully am sharing this at the beginning of the video, which it's supposed to mean hello and welcome to today's video. And I'm sharing that because there are, I believe, some people out there that believe that we're not interested in learning French and that we're not attempting to learn French, and that's just not true. I think it's because you don't hear us in our videos speaking French a lot, because there are, as a matter of fact, there are people, French people, that once they know we're Americans, which is generally pretty quick,
especially for me,
they look at us and they know right away these are Americans. They want to practice their English. So we're trying to practice our French, and then they're speaking English to us, which is something that I think is common in Paris. You're going to find in Paris there are generally most people speak English, but I just wanted to share that because we are attempting to learn French. It's just a little bit harder at our age, so it's taking a little bit longer. I just started a new program, which I'm not going to share with you yet because I'm evaluating it to see how it is, and if I find that it's really helpful, then I will share that information with you. So we are working on the French, right?
Right.
But that's not what our video is about today. So what is our video about today, Tony?
So in today's video, we're featuring our latest walk up the Arc de Triomphe.
And we say latest because we have climbed the Arc just about on every single trip to Paris, except for the first trip, right?
Right.
Because we were on a tour and we couldn't, well, we probably could have broken off from the tour, but we didn't want to at that point. And we just love it. It's one of our favorite monuments in Paris. So just a little bit of a setup as to what you can expect to see in the video. I did a little montage. In the beginning, we show the walk that we generally take from the left bank to the right bank, because we typically stay somewhere on the left bank and then we walk over to where the Arc is on the right bank. We love that walk. It usually takes us about 15-20 minutes. And so we share some of that with you. We share a little discovery that's new on the Champs Elysees. We share that with you, a little beverage that we found. And then just so you know, you're going to see at that point a change in outfits for both of us, because at that point it started raining. We attempted to climb the Arc initially right when we first got there, and it just started pouring, so we abandoned our mission and we went back another day and we successfully climbed the Arc. So we share that with you, and then we share a really amazing discovery that we just found this last time in Paris. Something that we did not know anything about. I feel like every time we go to Paris we learn something new.
Well, I'm sure we do. In fact, probably more than one thing. But this particular thing, I think, will be really helpful for those of you that are going to be traveling to Paris.
Absolutely. So be on the lookout for that. That's in the very center of the video. And then we share with you something that we stumbled across on our way back from the Arc, going down the Champs Elysees, something that we have come to expect every single time that we go to Paris that you will not want to miss. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Okay, I just ordered a mushroom latte on the Champs Elysees and never have had a mushroom latte, so I'm trying it for the first time. It's quite good. I think it's quite good because I'm used to drinking the soie, which is like a health drink mocktail, and there's a lot of like mushroom ashwagandha in that drink that you've had, Tony, that you say tastes horrible. And I like it, so I'm used to that flavor, so it's actually quite good.
You worn out yet?
Huh?
You worn out yet?
20%.
We are on our fourth climb up the Arc de Triomphe.
Not the fourth one today.
Not the fourth one today, or even the fourth one since we've been here, but the fourth time overall. We love it. It's the most beautiful view, I think, in all of Paris. You can see all of Paris from the top, so we never get tired of, well, we do get tired. We never get tired of the view. We do get tired of the steps. And it's nice that they have this little alcove. In case you don't know, there's this little alcove that's about halfway up.
Not that far.
Not
A
even.
third. I think there might be another one though.
Yeah, it's a third of the way up. And just wanted to share with you something we discovered today that we never knew, that I think you, if you don't realize this, will want to know about it, which is the monument pass. It's called a museum pass, but it actually includes all of the monuments. So we got this little pamphlet, and what it means is you can purchase this for 2 days, 48 hours, 4 days, 96 hours, or 6 days, 144 hours, and of course the price is different depending upon what you purchase. 62 euro currently for the 2 days, 77 euro for the 4 days, 92 euro per person for 6 days. And what that means is you purchase this and you can go for free to all of the monuments, plus skip the line.
Skip the line's worth something in and of itself.
Absolutely, that's worth it, and it includes all of them. It includes
all the major monuments.
34 different sites. So the Arc de Triomphe, the Pompidou Center, the Chapelle. I think that's the church. I mean, everything. I'm not going to go through all of them, but every single monument is on here, all of the museums. So next time you're in Paris, this is what we're going to do next time. Because we love going to all the monuments.
If you're here for a weekend, a long weekend, or a week, you can buy this and just pay once. And you can go everywhere you want to go.
And there are so many monuments, and looking at this, that we haven't even been to yet.
Right. We have our 6 or 7 that we go back to over and over and over again, and they're just so, this one being our favorite.
Hopefully you can hear us because it's so loud in here right now.
We better go.
Okay. You ready?
Ready.
All right. Let's go.
See you later.
Oh, here's another alcove. Another one. This one's not as easy to sit down in though. But it's right before you get to the very top, so it's not even worth it. Well, not the very top, but almost to the top. Almost. Almost to the top. This is where the gift shop is. Is it? No, it's not where the. Oh, yes, it is. I thought this was where the gift shop is. Is the next one up? All right, I was wrong.
Sembra sempre che sia arrivato, invece se ne sei un pezzo da fare. Si vede la luce. Che luce proprio.
Regarde ce qu'il envoie sur le groupe.
The thing is red, white, blue.
Ah, ils sont partis. Le mur, la loi, mais je sais que t'as pas. Non, c'est pas du tout. Ivan.
This is the hardest part for me, going down. This is really what's most painful on my knee, but I survived going up, so I should survive going down. Let's take a look and see how far down it is. That's a long way down. We survived.
Did more than survive. We enjoyed it.
We did pretty well. That wasn't that bad. My knee hurts a little bit. I could use an ibuprofen, and I'm going to shoot some footage of the Champs Elysees walking down so you can see how crowded versus maybe not crowded. Today's Monday. It's not nearly as crowded as it was. When did we come here?
Saturday.
We were here Saturday. It was really crowded.
But we are 4 weeks before the Olympics starts.
True.
So maybe 5 weeks. So I can only imagine as people come here on summer vacation and they come for the Olympics, how crowded it's going to be.
Yeah. It's been definitely more crowded than usual.
As much as I love Paris, I'm glad I'm not going to be here.
Me too. All right. You ready to go shop?
I'm ready.
Okay. Let's go.
songs coming up.
Blowing in the wind.
Bob Dylan.
I was going to say Bob Dylan first. Yes, I was. I promise you.
Say Mick Jagger.
No, I wasn't. I was going to say Bob Dylan for sure.
This. So we hope you enjoyed the video today.
In the intro, when we were referring to something that we have come to expect every time we're in Paris, we were referring to those dancers that were being filmed on the Champs Elysees, because certainly you'll find buskers all over Paris, and those are the musicians like the ones that we encountered on our way through the tunnel and back, climbing the Arc, that we typically will give tips to. These are professional dancers. We have come across professional dancers and musicians as well as buskers all over Paris.
And in this case, they're either filming a rehearsal or actually filming the video.
And I think last time we were in Paris, we came across dancers filming at the Hotel de Ville.
That's right. That's right.
So something that we definitely have come to expect and we love about Paris, one of our favorite aspects of Paris, is all of the musicians, the artists, the dancers that you're going to see during your visit. I would guarantee going to Paris that you're going to see at least one musician, dancer, artist of some kind.
I'd be shocked if it's only one.
Right, absolutely. And then the museum pass.
Yeah, hopefully you find the museum pass beneficial. I know we're going to use it the next time we go to Paris.
Absolutely. It's such a great value with the skip the line feature
Especially
included
the
in
skip
that.
line.
Yeah. So, speaking of our next trip to Paris, Tony.
October 30th. And it's not coming fast enough,
Yeah.
so.
So we're going back to Paris, and we still have a ton of footage to share with you along the way here, as well as a lot of footage that I still haven't shared from our trip to Nice, our previous trip. So stay with us. We'll be back again next week, and hopefully you'll join us then. Au revoir.
Au revoir.